Again, a very different aspect of Microsoft Word. Very interesting aspect of Word, comments. So again, if I'm sending my Word document to somebody, I would generally, in my email, attach the document and tell them I've attached a Word document for you. You need to do the following changes. And you would start typing 1. Go to paragraph number 3. Change the font size to 14. 2. Go to paragraph number 5. Change the color of the heading to blue. 3. Go to paragraph number 8. Like this, you would go on mentioning all the different changes you want the opposite person to do for your Word document. This is the general way people send mails to each other. But what I would do would be, whatever I'm trying to put in my email address, I would put that in the Word document itself without spoiling my document. Very important line is without spoiling my document. My document will not be affected at all, but I will add the comments in my Word document so that when I send this across to him or to her, that person knows that what are the changes to be done. I'll just say I have attached the Word document with the necessary changes to be done. Finished. One single line email, because my Word document, I'll open it now and show you what I mean. It will come as an attachment only in the mail, but I will not mention in my mail anything. I'll mention everything inside this file. See, I've opened the document. And I want this document to have some changes. I will mention here only what changes I want. That's how we use comments, to mention the changes that are required in a document. Okay, we always use something known as comments. So you can see my document now. In this case, I want this paragraph, highly motivated US veteran, this full paragraph, to be left aligned. So I select this paragraph, I go to insert, and I've got something known as comment. I click on comment. ये पूरा पिंक कलर में आ जाता है और इधर कमेंट बॉक्स आ जाता है. And here I will mention my comment. So I just typed my comment. Make this left aligned to make it easier to read, and I leave it over there. This is how my document will look when I will send it to somebody for doing the changes. So if you see my question 2, it says, reply to the second comment in the document with the text, should we adjust the spacing or the font size? So there's one more comment which has been put in this document. And suppose you send me a document and you tell me I do these changes, and I'm not sure whether the changes what you're telling me, have I understood it correctly or not. What I will do is I'm going to reply to your comment, okay, and then going to attach the file and send it back to you, saying that, listen, I have done the changes, but 1 or 2 places I didn't understand what I should be doing. So those 2 places I have not done anything. You please go through it and get back to me. That's the communication I do to you. Now, how do I do that? It's very simple again. So I'll open this file, resume file. So first he told me, make this left aligned to make it easier to read. That's my first comment. I have to go to the second comment of this document. Now I'm not going to scroll. Suppose it's 50 pages are there. I'm not going to sit and scroll, right? So what I will do is I'll go into something known as review. And the review I've got previous and next. So I'll click on next. Automatically it brought me to the second comment. Under review, I can go previous, first comment, next, second comment. Here he has told me in the second comment, I'll just zoom it up so you can read it properly. He has told me, move this back to page 1. Move this paragraph back to page 1. Now, when I look at page 1, there is no place to fit this paragraph. My page 1 is so full. How do I move it? I'm going to reply to this comment. Reply. And I'm going to put the comment. Should we adjust the spacing or the font size? Because there is no place on my page, I have asked a question that should we adjust the spacing or the font size? And I'm going to leave it like this. And when I send this file back, the person knows that there is this comment which has not been fulfilled. Okay. Now, this is how you can give a reply to a comment and send it back to the person. Okay. Now let's go back to the document first comment. Let me go back there. And I say, chalo, first comment hum kar lete hain complete. He's told me make this left align to make it easier to read. So I'm just going to select this and I'm going to left align it. After I've left aligned it, I will say resolve. Resolve means completed. Soon as I click on resolve, this whole thing becomes gray in color. That means the job has been done. The pink color from here has become lighter. It's there, but it's very light. And this has become gray, saying that this person has resolved this comment. Whereas this comment down is still open. You can see the difference. This is not gray, whereas this is gray. Once you resolve it, means you have completed your job. Okay, that's how you work with comments. First, I showed you how to insert. Second, I showed you how to reply. Third, I showed you how to resolve. Once you are satisfied and you say, yes, I'm satisfied with my comments and I don't need it any longer, I will go to review and I will say, let me go to next. So I open this comment and I will go to delete. I have an option to delete one comment or delete all the comments in the document. Once all your things are resolved, once all your comments are fulfilled, you just go to the delete button on top and say delete all comments in the document, or you can delete only the one which is resolved. Suppose I say delete, only this one will be deleted and your text will be back to normal, no pink color, nothing. And one comment will still stay. If I go to next, here it is. And I have not deleted this because it's not yet completed.